lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine is doing fantastic. I'm on a roll with recording these videos. So, if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the Testtube, the NewBeauty Testtube subscription. This has been last month. No, this is a bi-monthly box. So 2 months ago was the first time that I got this box. I used to get it when I first started my channel, and then I canceled it, and then I got it again, and oh my God, this is $29 a month, and you do pay for shipping. Shipping is like, I don't remember exactly how much it is. I'll leave it down below, but it's a little pricey. I don't know if it's like $8 or something like that, but you are guaranteed to get at $150 or more value. And last month, this box, or not, I keep saying last month because I'm so used to getting monthly subscriptions. 2 months ago, I mean, I couldn't believe how good the box was. It sold out very quickly. So, if you want to get this box, I would definitely, as soon as this video is over, check to see if it's out of stock or not. I am blown away with this subscription. Alright, so you get a little brochure, and it will tell you what everything is in here, gives you a little description, and then it also gives you, it gives you prices. Alright, so it comes like this in a regular box, so it's like a little test tube, but I noticed last time there was something in here. Oh, there's two things in here, because not everything fits in there. Alright, so this is quite heavy, whatever this is. So let's just see, what is this? This is the Cold Press. This is a, what is this? Shea Butter right here. Let me look up and see what this is. Let's see. Now, I should really go in order because that way I'm not like going through all this stuff. All right, so this is Shea Terra. This is a Shea Millville Cold Press Shea Butter. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let me just show you guys. Let's see. Right there. Millville, I'm not sure. All right, so this would be $16. And what it is, it's organic creamy shea, hydrates and heals to help skin and stay smooth as butter. How to use: created specifically for dry areas. This whip can be applied to the face, body, cuticles, and even under the eyes for some much needed TLC. And I definitely need that. All right, let's see. All right, so it comes safety seal. Ooh, so that's, it is like filled up to the top, guys. All right, let's see. Oh my God, that does. It feels just like butter. Has a very faint scent to it, but like a nice scent, not a bad scent. Let's see. It feels like kind of like Vaseline-y, which is good, but not in a bad way, if that makes any sense. Oh, I like that. This will definitely be good for your under eyes, you know, especially right before you put makeup on, just a little bit, you know, that way it doesn't look so dry. But I want to use this on my feet and see how it is. All right, first thing I love. Then we have this by Derma E. Oh my God, this is a vitamin C Instant Radiance Citrus Facial Peel. And Derma E products are pretty expensive, I think. Let's see. Where you be, Derma E? All right, so this is $23.95. What is it? An Ultra Gentle Fruit Derived Facial Peel with alpha hydroxy acids that remove dead skin for added smoothness and even tone. How to use: apply just once a week. 5 minutes is all you need to achieve a dewy complexion and refreshed feeling. The mini spoon doubles as a scoop and a DIY massage tool. Okay, let's see. All right, so right on top, you get the little spoon, which I really like, you know. Oh, and this is glass. Is this glass? Yeah, this is glass. This is full size. Let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. It looks like baby food. That's exactly what it looks like sweet potato baby food. All right, so I'm definitely excited for this. I am really into skincare, especially when it's like towards the summer, because I don't wear as much makeup, so I really get into the skin. All right, so that was the things that were on the outside of this test tube. So let's open this puppy up. I mean, the packaging, let's see. is so cute. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right. So that's what it looks like. So it's pretty filled up. And you can always save these. These are really nice cardboard to save. All right. The first thing is, what'd you be? What is this? So Rich Rose Petal. I don't know. Maybe for your cuticles? Let's see. All right, so that's $18. Holy cow. What is it? Roses may be red, but NCLA's Purple Softening Vitamin E Treatment Oil has us green with hand model Envy. This luxurious, why did I say luxurious? That's not even a word. All right, and get it together. Luxurious cuticle oil nourishes nails, soothes cuticles, and boosts a subtle rose scent. How to use. This mess-free dropper delivers the right amount of liquid with each use. For healthy hands, apply and massage onto the skin around nails twice a day. So let's see. That has a scent. I can smell the scent. Oh, I definitely smell roses. That's a strong rose scent. So if you don't like the scent of the rose, you may not like it. But again, it will be on your hands, so maybe it will go away. All right. How much did I say that puppy was? $18. All right. Then we have the Scalp Force. This is the UV Filter Hair Tonic. 7 added benefits. So let's see what that is. All right, so this would be $26. What is it? It's an all-natural solution that protects the scalp and strands from the sun. I definitely need that because my hair is thinning, and so I always get sunburn like on my scalp. How to use. Spritz this tonic onto the scalp and down the lengths of the hair to protect from harmful UV rays. Reapply every 2 hours of direct sun exposure, just like using sunscreen on the face or body. I've never heard of this. Have you guys heard of that? Where have you been all my life when I get my sunburn and stuff? Oh, that smells good too. I have never heard it. Free of parabens, alcohol, and sulfates. So that's good. It doesn't have alcohol or nothing in it to dry your hair or your skin out, your scalp. I am so excited to get that. I never heard of that. I never knew if they had stuff like this. Maybe you have. Let me know down below. Have you heard of something like this? This is so good with people with thinning hair, men, women. I mean, it's so good. All right. The next thing we got is this little bitty thing. This is MMXV Infitude right there. What is this? This is a universal facial treatment. So this is not full size, but full size would be $225. Holy shit. Wow. So this, what the heck was that? The instructions. So this is a small size, but this right here is probably at least $50 to $75, I bet you. All right, what is it? A 7-in-1 beauty cream that can be used around the eyes and on the face and neck to restore hydration and illumination. How to use. Softly pat into skin during the day, at night, or wherever a little pick-me-up is needed. So that's definitely exciting. The thing is, if it works really good and I love it, I'm not spending no $225. I don't know, unless it's like life-changing, but I'm glad to get to try it. All right, then we have this Guarenteed primer. This is a pre-mascara, so this is a mascara primer. Let me know, do you guys think primer makes a difference with mascara? Let me know. I was thinking about making a video of doing one eye without the primer, just mascara, and the other one with primer and mascara to see if there's a difference. Let me know if you'd be interested in a video like that. All right, so this would be $25. It says, what is it? Your eye makeup's new water-resistant best friend. This primer preps eyelashes with non-flake fibers and peptides to lengthen and ease mascara application. How to use. Do one eye at a time. Swipe the all-white formula on your lashes and then immediately follow with your favorite mascara before switching to the next eye in order to prevent premature drying. And that's true because when I do try these primers, they do dry. But I wish they came in like black instead of white. White is good for, you know, if you don't see too well, you can make sure you coat all of it. But then again, if you don't see too well, you may not coat all of it. So I wish they came in black. That way you can't really see that you're putting on primer. But, all right, so $25. All right, we have two more things. This is a J. Cosmoon. Look, I can't pronounce. I need to go back to school because these brands nowadays, I can't friggin' pronounce them. All right, so let's see where this is and see what it is. Where is it? No, that's not it. Where in the world? Okay. This would be $32. What is it? A fast-acting formulation for all skin types that's backed by serious science. It doesn't say. What is it then? It is how to use. Reach for this lotion to relieve redness, boost collagen levels, and deliver total nourishment. It absorbs instantly and it's non-greasy, so it won't stick to clothes or cause makeup to move. All right, let's see the size of this. Okay, so it's a decent size. It's definitely not filled to the top. I can see it's probably filled about up to here. Directions: apply lotion to face and body after cleansing while skin is still damp to retain moisture. All right. So, I mean, this is really a great box again. It really is. All right. Last but not least, what are you? Depuffing and Firming Eye Cream. Yes, yes, and yes. All right. Let's read up on that. All right. So this would be $39. Holy cow. Says there's no need to carry any extra eye baggage. This is depuffing and firming salve made with Kiona. How to use: squeeze a small amount onto the applicator and then swipe under your eyes. This cool ceramic tip helps to further minimize any swollen skin. All right, so this is what it looks like. You open it from this thing. Oh God, I'm gonna end up ripping this box open. Let's see. What in the world? Is it taped? Maybe it's taped. Let's see. Yeah, it's taped. Okay. So it looks like that. Like, you know, you would open it up like that. And then you get this. This little thing is $39. But with any kind of eye creams, a little always goes a long way. So let's recap what we got. Do we think it's worth the $29 plus, I think it's like $8 in shipping. So, I mean, this right there pays for the whole box. You figure if this is $39, pays for everything. So, right there, I think it's worth it. Then we have this lotion here. We have the facial treatments. That's $200 and something. We have cuticle oil. We have a primer. We have, what was this again? This is organic Shea Butter, virgin Shea Butter. All right, that's on here. What else did we get? Oh, we got this for the scalp, which I am really excited to try. And we got this Derma E right there. That's really heavy and nice. The packaging's really nice. So that's everything. I don't know if there's something else around laying around, but I definitely think it's worth it. I think this subscription is really great if you can afford it. I know, like, I don't like paying for shipping, but I don't mind paying that shipping if I know I'm definitely getting my value in it. You know what I mean? I really think it's great. Now, this is a subscription if you don't get any other subscriptions. You know what I mean? This is like bi-monthly, which I like because a lot of times when you have a monthly box, sometimes you don't go through everything, and then here comes another box. I like the fact that this is bi-monthly, and that way you get a chance to use the products, and when they're almost gone, then you have another box coming in. And I also like the fact that you can try other products, you know, for such a cheap price. I think it's definitely worth it. I am in shock how good this box is. I really am. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth it? I definitely do. I really do. I'm more into skincare now than I am with makeup because you have to take care of your skin because you can buy a $100 foundation, and if you're not taking care of your skin, it's not going to look right. So you need to take care of your skin first, you know, especially when it's starting to become summer and the sun and everything else like that. And I love the fact now, like I said, maybe they always had something like this. I just never know that. So I'm definitely, I mean, I think my money is well spent. I do pay for this. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your day is going. Like this video, it really does help me out. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.